There are classes of Hifz. So in that class of 20 students, there will be 5 Qurras coming in, Qaris. So each batch will have about 4 students. So when we have certain classes, it breaks up so that the Hifz is better. The concentration is better, so the child can learn faster. In our school, Hifz is compulsory till standard 3. Till standard 3, the child in nursery, junior KG, he starts Yasan al-Quran. He does the Nazar of the Quran in senior KG, starts doing Hifz in senior KG. On average, senior KG, he memorizes half juz. First, second, and third, every year 1.5 juz. So by the time the child completes standard 3, he memorizes at least 5 juz. Some may memorize 6, some 7, some may even do 4. After that, Hifz is optional. Those people who feel have got a good memory, we select them maybe 25%, 1/4 to 1/3 of the students, and we call them 1 hour 15 minutes earlier. So instead of coming at 8 o'clock in the morning, from 4th standard, they come at 7:15. Now, when the Hifz class in the morning is conducted after 3rd standard, for one Qari, there are 2 students maximum. So the ratio of the Qari and the students in the higher classes is reduced. One Qari, 1 student, or one Qari, 2 students maximum. And only because he comes 1 hour 15 minutes early in the morning, does Hifz for 1 hour 10 minutes, in a year, on an average, that child memorizes 5 juz. So by the time he completes the next 5 years, at the end of 8th standard, he memorizes the complete Quran. So far, mashallah, we are in the 6th standard. In the 5th standard, according to our normal course, the child should memorize 15 juz. But many students, mashallah, at the end of 5th standard have memorized 18 juz, some 19, some even 20. So my son, who's now in the 6th, he's hardly 12 years old, mashallah, he knows more Quran than me. He knows 20 juz. I don't know that much. I'm not Hafizul Quran. His Qiraat is better than mine. He can understand Arabic better than me. He can understand the Quran directly. I can't. So we want every child in our school to be better than what I was when I was in school. And inshallah, minimum, every child in our school, minimum, is 100 times better than what I was when I was a child. We want every child in the school should be multiple times like me. I am not the target. I am not the aim. I am not the sample. We want them to be multiple times better. So what we could not get in our childhood, and with Allah's help, alhamdulillah, whatever we achieved, we feel that if we educate our children in the right way, right from the childhood, inshallah, you will find a change in the next generation.